Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about carbohydrates, photosynthesis, lipids, proteins, soil nitrogens, nucleic acid, and origin of life. Just introductions. So, let us start with carbohydrates. So, you see the carbohydrates. This is the structure of different carbohydrates. The most important and common is alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. You see the chair form of beta D glucose, and D glucose we call it an aldoses. So D allose, D altrose, D glucose, D mannose, D glucose, D iodose, D galactose, and D tallose. For definitions and some other parts, I already have the video. So please go through that video. Then this video will be beneficial for you. Now you see the polysaccharides. This is the two units by through the glycosides. You see sucrose, this is lactose, and this is maltose. And you see this is amylopectin. So this 6-member ring and 5-member ring, how it is attaching through this glycosidic linkage. Now cellulose in a wood is extracted and converted to paper at this plant in Maine. You see, microorganisms in the stomach of cow help them digest cellulose in plants. You see. So photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? You see carbon dioxide and water undergo photosynthesis forming this glucose, and then metabolism, again they are giving CO2 and H2. And from here to here they need energy, and they lose energy from here to here. So respirations we call it inhalations. You see here animals, plants, food eaten. Here is a plant making photosynthesis, atmospheric oxygens, then burning of organic matter and atmospheric carbon dioxide, respirations, exhalations, and then photosynthesis plants. So this is the circle and cyclic process of photosynthesis. Now look at the lipids. You see COOH, and here. So polar groups P and glycerols. Choline, you see this is hydrocarbons. This is the polar groups. This is non-polar groups. This we call it head. This is the tail part. So soap molecules with polar head and non-polar tail. Saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Lipids, basic asteroid structure. You see 6-member ring, 6-member ring, 6-member ring attached with 5-member ring. This is the basic structure of asteroids. We have example cholesterol, estradiol, and testosterone. All contains 3 6-member ring, 1 5-member ring, 3 6-member ring, 1 5-member ring, 3 6-member ring, and 5-member ring. Now protein. The polypeptide chains forms a backbone structure in proteins. On first inspections, this structure appeared to be connected entirely by single carbon-carbon or carbon-nitrogen bond. It should therefore be a flexible as simple hydrocarbon chain. You see, note the flexing in a covalent structure does not occur by bending bond. The normal tetrahedral or trigonal planar bonds angles are maintained instead of different shape and obtained to torsional rotations about the axis of bond. These torsional rotations, you see. So soil nitrogens, there is a cycle of soil nitrogens. Now nucleic acid chromosomes consist of DNA molecule changes in sequence of bases in a DNA molecules can result in a mutations. You see helical structures T and G, G, C, A, T and CG. We call it adenine, this is thymine, cytosine and guanine, and this is phosphate deoxyribose sugars. So this is the nucleic acids. What is the origin of life? You see H2, methane gas, ammonia gas. It is coming from boiling water, water vapor. Now it is coming here to high voltage source, a spark discharge, water out, water in, cooling systems, amino acid molecules here. So friends, now Space Odyssey. You see, I am afraid cannot you do that. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.